Okay, howdy YouTube. I haven't had a microphone stand recently, so I decided to make this little desktop one, and I used the poor man's 3D printer, or otherwise called a scroll saw you got for free a long time ago, and a bunch of parts you had in your garage. So, the scroll saw is pretty useful, but with woodworking stuff, I typically have to use a pencil and ruler. So after drawing out the schematic, I pretty much got to work cutting. So I cut two little brackets that interlock with a base plate to hold the microphone. It kind of forms a sort of almost cannon mount-like thing. I trimmed the sides a bit, and once you put the microphone on there, you can see like the Canon or telescope mount resemblance. The bolts I found in my garage. So in total, this was a absolutely free project. It pretty much functions like a normal camera mount. It could have been slightly better with some of the cuts, but I did this in like less than an hour, probably more like 45 minutes, and it works. And you just tighten up the bolt or bicycle bolt thing on the side, and it stays in place. So overall, okay, gear I used as a spacer, and it works as a camera mount. So I guess that's about it. And this probably won't be uploaded as its own video since it's like 2 minutes long, but I'm gonna put it on how I make videos video. So yeah, it's a little bit weird. Anyways, I guess, also, I have made some more complicated things out of wood. Like, this is a electric violin. I don't normally play it with the bow. I'm not actually a very good violinist, but I did know how to play it in the past, and it was kind of a fun project. So, yeah, it was made from a broken violin and some other scrap wood. And since it's electric, I don't quite have to worry about its acoustics as much, but here's what it sounds like not plugged in, and let's see if I can actually play something that sounds halfway decent.